So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit measures on capital.com. So starting off with capital.com, you can see this layout looking like that. You can see capital.com. You can see your night and day modes. You can see your inbox, your pie chart, your registration if you have one, your P&L, in this case profits and losses, available funds, the currency, and what type of account you're using. And if you want to place an order, so if you click on a certain stock you want to buy or sell, so you can click on here to buy it, and you can see the options to buy when price is at a certain amount, and you can click on stop loss and take profit. So you can see either for normal or guaranteed or stuff like that. So these are the measures that you can take when setting up your capital.com trade, and you can then expand on take profit in this case for a certain amount, or you can increase it at a certain point as well. So take that profit and stop loss from being at a certain point. Once you've done what you wanted to do with those parameters, you can then click on buy, or in this case you can click on sell, also for stopping loss and taking profits as measures. So these are different types of precautionary measures that you can take so you can maximize your winnings. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on capital.com or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.